One more reason to not do laundry. You can't come in. You're not allowed in here. Back up, back up. Here's my laundry room challenge.
We're about to shoot our laundry room challenge. Have you done yours yet?
What's up, everybody? I'm sure that you've been pretty bored lately with this whole virus thing going around. Much like my friend up in Canada, Eric. He sent me a message this Monday out of the blue asking if I would go on IG Live with him with no explanation. So I hop on and he says, hey man, how about we challenge everybody to do a light painting with the most mundane of places in their home, the laundry room. And I was like, that's amazing. So this week we're doing a laundry room light painting challenge. And today I'm gonna kind of try my hand and see what kind of creativity I can conjure up with my little laundry room in here. I mean, it's a tiny space. It's kind of boring. It's just a laundry washing machine and, you know, some hair ties from Juli. But there's a million things you can do with light painting, so that's kind of the thrill of it. So tonight we're gonna try our hand at something a little bit interesting and try to make a laundry room look cool with light painting. So let's see how that goes. So this is our laundry room. Pretty modest. It's got two cats that are totally obsessed with the whole idea of a laundry room. We don't let them in here, so naturally it means it's their favorite room in the whole place. Anyway, so yeah, pretty small. It's basically just inside of our bathroom. So you got the bathroom here, and that's it. And then it's laundry room. So it's not a dedicated room in the house, meaning we don't have a ton of room to work. But I have a cool idea, and when Juli is ready, I will explain it. But we're gonna use a dryer. I think the dryer is going to be the focal point. It's like the most accessible and probably our best bet for making something interesting. All right, you two, hey.
Are you ready?
Don't have much space here, so my idea is to use a super clamp, put that on the frame up here and shoot that direction. What do you think about that framing, Kim?
It looks great.
I just need to pick up a few tubes on the other side.
Okay.
Want to come with me?
Yeah.
Great. Wait. Can we bring the cameras in the laundry room? Let's do that. All of them.
Okay, let's get the tubes.
Okay, we're here just to get a few tubes. I want to use, my plan is to use the black tube, a small sugar, a few caps.
So we have a few small tubes, and we want to be both in the shot. So we were thinking about, well, I'm not sure. Well, how are we going to do that?
We're going to improvise.
Okay.
Zach and I spoke a few days ago about this laundry room challenge, and we invited a lot of you guys just to join and to make the best out of this little room. Using light painting. I have the luxury of having my equipment here. I have a super clamp, a magic arm, my camera, wide angle lens, but you can also shoot very tight. I've already received a few really nice ones using just the inside of the laundry machine, so that works too.
Yeah, we just hope you'll enjoy and have fun and share it with us.
Yeah, if it works well, next week's gonna be about your toaster.
Oh yes.
Yeah, toaster time.
Okay, so we are mostly set up. We're here in the bathroom. Hello everyone. Hello friends. Juli finally woke up from her nap. She's a big fan of naps. She works way too hard, so I'm glad that you're here for this wonderful challenge. And so yeah, we're mostly set up. I've got the camera. It's over here. It's taped up. I've got my circle drawn that I alluded to earlier, and we got a cat being just the best boy, just the best possible boy. Oh, he's so chubby. Anyway, so as you see here, I've got tape over the back glass, and with a marker, I've crudely scrawled a circle where our washing machine orifice is. So, like I said, I'm going to hit that with some light, and then we are going to scoot through this little crack in the door because, again, I don't have a lot of space to work with. Come on in here, Julie. So she's going to be in there the whole time.
Look at the cat one more time.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, he's special. He's special. Anyway, so I hit that with light. I'm coming in here. Now she's going to be sitting here already. I'm going to plop that down and plop the camera down. It's going to be pre-aimed, so this is going to be aimed precisely where her head is going to be, so it'll fit nicely in that circle. And then I'm going to hit her with some light and then use some fiber optics. So now I've just got to dial in how much light I need because, you know, I'm using multiple flashlights. But then I think we're good to go. So let's see how it comes out. You can see now, it's dark in here-ish. Not really, I just turned the light on, but we've got lens capping going on here, guys. That is the magic trick to the whole shot. The lens capping. So,
Be sure and change it.
I'm going to change my focus because we've got two different shots at different focal lengths. So, I'm changing my focus now to her, and now she's going to start her pose. So, you ready? So, hit your pose. I'm going to get my fiber ready. Now I'm ready to rock. She's in her pose. And then we turn the lights off. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. All right.
The first idea didn't work well, and after a few shots, we decided to take everything out of that room just to clear our minds. Also, we got rid of the tube and used a holo square instead, which was making it easier to light up the whole place. This is our final image, which is not going to make history, but that was not the point. We had two goals today. The first one was to live a great, creative, and challenging experience in this lockdown time. Something that we would have never made in our normal lives. But the second reason was even more important. It was about bringing our community together and seeing them shine in this uncertain time. Here's what they created.
laundry room, and I couldn't resist putting Kim Henry and Eric Paré into the picture. There they are in the washer, rappelling down to the bottom. There's Eric with his Tube Tribe bag on his back, and Kim Henry with the camera in hand. Be careful going down into the washer. Have fun with the laundry room challenge, everyone.